Everyone, welcome to the channel. So today's video is gonna be a step-by-step guide for the day one of the AI intensive course launched by the Google. So those who have registered for the course, they might have received this day one assignment. So today's assignment we have to complete the unit 1, which is introduction to agents. The first step is to listen to the summary podcast, and the second is to complement the podcast, read the introduction to agents white paper. Okay, so if you want to listen to the podcast, you can click on this and you can listen to this podcast. It is 16-minute podcast. Or if you want to read about it, you can click on this and you can read all this thing with the podcast. Okay, so if you want to go through it, you can go through it. So let me cut it now. Come to the main thing, which is complete this code labs on Kaggle. Okay, so before doing all this, you have to phone verify your account. So click on this one and verify your account to start your code lab. So to save your progress, you have to phone verify your account. So just do it and then click on this one, build your first agent using Gemini and agent development kit. So click on this build option. You will come here. This is the day one A lab. Here you can see the option as edit my copy. You will not have this option, you will have the edit and copy. So click on this, you will come to this notebook. Here what you have to do is, before doing anything here, search Google AI Studio on Google. You will get the Google AI Studio website. Create your API key here. For creating API key, just click on create API key, name your API key, go on create project, name your project and save. Create your API key. See, I've already created one. Copy your API key, copy the key on your notepad because we are gonna need it. Okay, so go where on notebook, go on add-ons, go on secret. See, I've already pasted my Google API key here. You just have to add your API key, go on add secret, enter your label as Google API key, all in capitals, paste your API key and save. That's it for this lab. Believe me, your lab is now 80% complete. Okay, so what you have to do, once you are done with this, run this code. You will see the option Gemini API key setup complete. How to run this? Click on this. You can see this triangle option. Click on this run button and you will see this output Gemini API key setup complete. Then on second, ADK components imported successfully. You just have to run all the code, all these cells. You just have to run them, and you will see your lab is complete. Believe me, that's it for this lab. Okay, so in this lab, the first lab, you will also create your AI agent. Let me show you which AI agent. See here, I created this one. I wrote hi, the output is hello there, how can I help you today. Then I wrote tell me about India, and you can see it's working. So you just have to run all this. Once you come here, you will run this code and you will see open ADK web UI. This is basically your agent. Don't click this blue button. First run this code. You will see this output. Then click on this and your agent will work. And that's it for the code lab 1. Yeah, your lab 1 is done. No submission is required. See, on both lab there is no submission required for today. So you just have to do this. You just have to go through all this, and yeah, it's done. The lab 1 is done. So now for the lab B, same thing you have to do. Click here, edit and copy. You will come to this notebook. Just go on add-ons. You go on secrets. Just you will see the API key from the previous notebook. Just click on this checkbox and you are done. Just run all the cells like before, and that's it for it today. See, this, you might encounter this error. You might encounter this error. Many people are encountering this error. Earlier today it was not there, but now it is coming, maybe because of the server issue, because of the load. But yeah, it will not affect your assignment, so just you can ignore it, and you just have to keep running all the cells, and your lab 2 will be completed by running all the cells. You do not have to do anything else. Okay, see, note, no submission required. In lab 2 also you do not have to submit anything. And with this, your both labs are completed. You just created your first AI agent, you created your multi agent system. Okay, that's it we have to do for the today's assignment. Our unit 1 is complete. If you want to go through what's gonna happen tomorrow, you can read it here, and what you will learn, you can read it here, go through this podcast, get all the details. And that's it for today. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, please like the video, comment your thoughts, how can I improve, and share the video to your friends who are doing this 5-day course. I will be coming with the videos of all days, so keep eye on the channel. Thank you for watching.